Alright, what is going on, everyone? Today I have this HP 24M Full HD monitor. This is a $130 monitor and we are going to unbox it. This is a 1080p monitor, and this right here, it must be the stand for the monitor. Its bottom part is made out of metal. Power adapter. The neck for the stand, it is also made out of plastic. Power cable for the adapter, and then a HDMI cable. Now for the monitor itself. It's a very thin monitor up top here, but it's got a little weight to it on the bottom side right here. Neck of the stand, which is going to slide in just like this, and then all you're gonna have to do is screw it in without a screwdriver. So no screws necessary here. Now that we got the stand set up, all we're gonna have to do is slide in the monitor. So I'll show you the back side, and it's going to slide in to this slot right here. Like that. You heard that click? That means it's ready to go. On the back side is where you will find all of the ports. There's the power port, HDMI port, and a VGA port. That's it. So the screen can be tilted back and forth like this, but you cannot adjust the height. Here is the monitor. I've been using it for 2 days now, and so far it's been doing a great job. The screen looks pretty crispy. This is a full HD 1080p display. This has a 5 millisecond response time, and it also has that beautiful edge-to-edge display, which you can see right over there, with the HP logo on the bottom. So overall, this is a great display for video editing, which I'm doing right now. I'm editing this video right here, and also playing games and watching videos and movies. This will get the job done. Unless you're a hardcore gamer, you might notice the difference, but for someone like me who's kind of an average gamer, this will get the job done. The viewing angle on this is also, you cannot see the screen right now, but the viewing angle is also decent. Not that I'm going to be using it from all the way over here, but the screen does not distort in any major way, so that is a big plus. Numbers wise, this has a ultra wide 178 degrees viewing angle with that IPS display, which is a full HD display. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this monitor that you would like to see a separate video of or anything like that, do let me know. And until next time, peace.